It just became a whole wreck. All of these mascaras are dried out. Why do I have them? Because I'm a hoarder. Like, why is that there? Oh my god, this is literally leaking. Hello everybody, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Marina. So a lot of you guys were confused as to why I was traveling during Corona season. So basically a little explanation. Why can I say that? I literally booked this trip in January. Booked this trip in January because I wanted to be a responsible adult and book my flights in advance. But turns out the flight prices dropped and yeah, I'm not getting my money back.
Oh my god, he heard me whispering.
My sister is talking to my dog right now as we speak. Say hi.
Hi.
So, shh. So basically, I had all these plans to film videos. I literally had 6 video ideas planned. But basically, I booked my flight, my hotel, etc. all in January because my sisters were gonna be on spring break during this time. So I figured why not visit my fam whilst getting lots of content. So by the time I went, it wasn't a big deal yet. Like nothing was shut down, all my hotels, my flight was still on. So that's why I still went on my trip. Don't worry, I'm currently in self-isolation right now. All of the TikToks that you guys saw were filmed before quarantine. Only times I left was to go to the doctors and to hop back on my flight because I'm 19 and I still don't have my own doctor yet in Las Vegas, so I'm under my mom's insurance. You guys are probably also wondering, Marina, what happened to Mondays with Marina? All of my comments have been, what the fuck, where's your videos? Like I said, I flew to Hawaii. I had so many videos planned and all those plans got canceled. And we only filmed 3 of them. Ha, so much fun. And instead of getting triggered about it, I was like, you know what, it's fine. We'll just take this time to hang out with my family. I kind of took a mini break. So, we're back now. First things first, we are going to organize my makeup collection. So, yes. But first, let's make a coffee. So this is the current state of my makeup collection. Here we have the stuff I brought with me to Hawaii that I need to put away. So in here is all the makeup that I used this morning. I just shoved in here because I'm too lazy to put everything back. Also, I'm gonna be taking all of this out, so there's no point. But oh my god, look at that trash. Okay, so up here I have all of my foundations. I'm gonna be getting rid of most of these because they're all old, expired. The only ones I use are right here in this section. And then in here I just have concealers next to it. Super messy, but I have all of my lip balms and like sunscreen that I just bought. And these are all of my tools for my makeup. Also hand sanitizer. I don't care if this is 90% glitter. Okay, and then back here I just have extra Real Technique beauty blenders, and I have to have a rag with me every time I do my makeup because it gets messy. Next, underneath here I have all of my eye stuff and some rubbish. All of these mascaras are dried out. Why do I have them? Because I'm a hoarder. I don't know what it is, but makeup is the one thing that I have always collected. Like I have no problem tossing my clothes out, shoes, anything else, skincare, but makeup was the one thing that I always collected. I think because when I was a kid, all I ever wanted was a huge makeup collection because I wanted to be a beauty guru, and beauty gurus had gigantic makeup collections. And I just have a lot of products here with memories. This is all of my brow stuff. And here we have eyelash glue. And here we have, okay, this is kind of like mixed up. I don't even know what's in here. This is eye primers and eyeshadow bases. You guys, this is literally one of the first MAC products that I've ever owned, and I still have it till this day. Here I just have a bunch of colored eyeliners. I would do creative looks, and as much as I love these gotta go because actually, oh my god, wait, this matches my nail. But I've had these for years and they're honestly probably dried out. Normal eyeliners back here and a bunch of glitters back there. Okay, next drawer. This whole thing is just a mess. I don't even know. Moving on. In here I have a bunch of makeup palettes. I already went through this and got rid of all the ones that I don't really use anymore. I'm giving it to my mom. I just want to keep because hashtag memories. I would get so excited over palettes and like PR companies sending me makeup palettes, so I just have to do it. Here I have just a bunch of lashes. Like, why is this here? Why is that there? In this drawer, bronzers all over here, face powders. These ones are pressed face powders, and these ones are loose powders. Yeah, it's kind of just messy. All the way back there, I have cream bronzers. This is my highlight drawer. Yeah, what is going on here? It just became a whole wreck. And in this last drawer, all of my setting sprays, facial sprays, and all along here I have primers. It doesn't look organized, but it's kind of organized. Okay, right here we have moisturizers, and then this side is just a bunch of like tubed primers, and then under these I have stick primers. I almost forgot, I literally have all of this stuff that I need to put away and everything in here. So all of that makeup in my drawers wasn't all. Oh my god, ew. Oh wait, just kidding, that's paint. I thought that was from like my toothbrush or something. But yeah, we painted my sister's room. Okay, so that was pretty much my entire makeup collection. I do have a lot of makeup, but compared to like other YouTubers, I don't have an excessive amount of makeup, you know? Let's get started. Okay. First things first, I'm gonna be tackling all of this random stuff. This iced coffee kind of smacks. Actually, I think I'm gonna get another angle because I'm a good YouTuber. Look at that double angle. Am I a pro YouTuber, guys? I've only been doing it for like 3 years. Can you see my butt? Oh my god. Okay, let's get it. Oh my god, you guys can full on see my butt. Sorry for like this total ass shot. I'm gonna dump this all over. The entire black bag is done. Look at that. Okay, now this thing. Hello, so I changed the angle. I'm still keeping this butt shot angle because it has a good overview of my makeup collection. I'm gonna be tackling all of my foundations and concealers. Oh my god, this is literally leaking. Oh my god, are you kidding me? I can't buy a new one right now. I'm gonna be putting all the foundations that I'm keeping right here and all the foundations that I'm getting rid of right here. Keeping. Okay, I have a bunch of these for no reason. I'm always like, I'm gonna keep these foundations just in case I do someone's makeup. That day has never came. Why do I have so many of these? Glossier. Go watch my Glossier video. The Fenty Hydrating Foundation. I'm gonna keep this because I just bought it. But do you guys like this foundation? I feel like it makes me look kind of patchy. This concealer is literally white. Why do I have this? And it's super old. Straight up white. Don't know. Oh my god. This was one of the first foundations I ever bought. And I remember 07 Sand. This is the same color as my sister. That's how dark I used to be. And I love this foundation so much. I use it in so many tutorials. Why? Okay, y'all are gonna think I'm weird for smelling stuff, but I don't know why, but smells trigger something in my memory. This literally smells like me in junior year of high school. I have literally 4 of these. For what? For what? My keep pile is bigger than my get rid of pile. Here's all the foundations and concealers. Everything from here on I'm getting rid of, and all of these I am keeping. I'm gonna wipe down my drawer and then we're gonna put all of the foundations back. I found the box and I'm gonna be putting all of the toss out makeup in here. I have 5, 6. Piece. This is what we got going on so far. I have emptied 3 drawers. Yeah, can you believe this is all 3 drawers worth? What the heck? Now I'm gonna start doing this side, and that means sorry, my lipstick. Ugh, I don't really want to do that. Hey, it's the next day. Do you notice anything different about me? Yeah, I literally cut my side bangs this morning. Not that big of a difference, but it's a subtle change. It looks so cute. It was really bold of me because just staring at myself in the mirror and my forehead looked big. So I just took some scissors and I didn't even look at tutorials, didn't even look at pictures. I'm just a master hair cutter already. Yeah, I love it so much. It's the perfect amount of fringe without it being full-on forehead bangs because I am never ever doing that again. For all of my first ever lipsticks, like, do you guys remember these? Color Whispers, the Revlon Butter Gloss, like.
In these streets, let's go. Playground parks with the trees and the cars. Brownstone buildings with the kids on the porch. Murals on the walls for the ones that we lost.
Okay, I finally got everything out of the drawers. This is what it looks like right now. I wiped down and cleaned every single drawer. Spotless.
The home of the biggie, people blowing they ciggies and these.
Okay, so this is how I'm gonna organize it. The top here, I'm gonna put my tools and lip balms. This drawer, I wanna put my everyday makeup. It'd be so much easier for me to put my makeup away. Then in here, I'm gonna put all of my foundation. Here is gonna be all of my skincare stuff. So I'm gonna move all of my nail stuff down in this drawer. This is gonna be palettes, lips, blushes, and bronzer, highlighters, and powders.
Watch your steps, cause these blocks we grew up on that bad boy in 96 with Diddy. Take a walk, come with me. Let me show you what really go down. Fiends on the corner.
Realize I have so much extra space. I got rid of a lot of foundations. So I think I'm gonna put my face powders in here too. And maybe we can my blushes, bronzers, and highlights in one drawer instead of 2
Mirrors on the walls for the ones that we lost. Bodegas on the corner, let me see what's in store. Subway stations with the maps and the cars. Summer cookouts.
Space I see. Okay, next we're moving on to blush, bronzer, highlight drawer.
That's where I'm from. Tell them this is New York. I look around as I'm viewing the city. Skyscrapers and bridges, bright lights, fast life, Manhattan living. Cross over downtown. Welcome to the concrete. The Nets to Barclays, the Mets to Yankees. Ubers and yellow taxis. And while I'm fitted with some butters, we her savvy when tight.
I have all of these lashes. None of them match.
Was baggy from JFK to LaGuardia, city that never sleeps. Insomnia, home of Junior Mafia. Word. Playground parks with the trees and the cars. Brownstone buildings with the kids on the porch.
I'm tired. I don't want to do this anymore. Okay, I think I'm literally just gonna dump everything on the floor.
That's where I'm from, tell them this is New York. I look around as I'm viewing the city. Skyscrapers and bridges, bright lights, fast life, Manhattan living. Cross over downtown, welcome to the concrete. The Nets to Barclays, the Mets to Yankees. Ubers and yellow taxis. And while I'm fitted with some butters, we her savvy. When tight jeans was baggy. From JFK to LaGuardia, city that never sleeps. Insomnia, home of Junior Mafia. Word. Playground parks with the trees and the cars. Brownstone buildings.
Oh my god, it looks so good. Drawer number 1.
cars. Bodegas on the corner, let me see what's in store. Subway stations with the maps in the cars. Summer cookouts,
Drawer
Uncle
number
got
2,
the sandals
drawer
on.
number
Statue of
3.
Liberty, we holding up the torch. If they ask where I'm from, tell them this is New York. Brooklyn, Brooklyn, BK all day, BK all day. We go hard, we go hard. Yeah, yeah, like so. Brooklyn, Brooklyn, BK all day.
Skincare drawer.
Let peace stress free, let it be. God got a bigger plan for you and me. Let peace stress free and let it be. God got a bigger
The lip drawer.
stress free and let it be. God got a bigger plan for you and me. Yeah.
Handed an urgent and horrifying news story. And I need all of you to stop what you're doing and listen.